Hello there, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Hopefully you're doing okay. I'm really excited for this video because it is one of my favorite videos to make. You and I both know I love patterns, and more importantly I love free sewing patterns for beginners, and that is what I'm giving you today. So I have 15 plus free sewing patterns perfect for beginners. Now I have categorized these patterns into 5 categories, that is dresses, tops, trousers, skirts, and outer layer, or rather jackets. And let's get right into the video, and I'm going to start up with dresses. So I have like my notes on here, so if I'm reading, that is what I'm going through. As I said, we are starting off with the dresses, and the first dress is the Cecily Sweetheart dress. Now this dress is so cute. I love this dress. It is very modest. It is like a midi length. It is paneled, that it has like princess seams. It has a square neckline. It has a flare at the bottom. It has the cutest cap sleeves, like really short. And the reason as to why I'm saying it is beginner friendly, it's because it is going to give you that skill whereby you get to join up pieces, add a facing, add that flare, add a zipper at the back, and work with a different sleeve than we usually work with, that is just a normal sleeve. It is really nice. It just needs you to push yourself better. And the second dress is the Roxy tank dress by Tiana's Closet. Now this dress is perfection. Now it is just right above the knee. It has like a ruffled hem. It has an empire waist, that is the waist that is slightly lifted. It has like a bias finishing everywhere, so you do not need any sort of lining or facing, and it is really easy to use a bias tape. Again, you're not doing just your normal simple items. You're learning every single step as you go. You're learning something new, and that is why it is perfect for a beginner. I love this dress. It looks amazing. Now the third dress is Amelie Sundress by Do It Yourself. Now this, as I said, is beginner friendly, but you need to push yourself. Now the Amelie Sundress, it's strappy. It is really cute. It has a facing, or you can go ahead and add a lining. There's no limit to this. And it has like an extra ruffle at the bottom that is so cute. It has that dropped round neck. It's more like this top I'm wearing right now, but you can add some inches up if you do not want it to be low, and it just amazing, as you can see from the photo. So the fourth and the last dress is the Bodyon dress with a slash neck. Now this dress is from unfettered fabric, and it is so cute. It is like a nice and sleeveless. It has gathers at the waist. It has like a little boat neck. Really simple, just 2 pieces to join. Now the catch here is that it requires a knit fabric, and for a knit fabric to look well, it requires a stretch stitch, a zigzag stitch, or an overlock stitch, and that is where the issue might come in. The only thing you need to know how to work with at this point is a stretch fabric, and once you've had enough practice, you will realize that stretch fabrics are the best and the easiest to work with, because they give you an easy to make garment, and you will be done with that garment really fast, and it will be really cute. An alternative to this dress is another dress from the same website, that is Unfettered Patterns, that is the relaxed t-shirt dress. Now this is more like a t-shirt dress and a sleeved version of the Bodyon dress. It has like sleeves, and it has the hem, that is the rib for the t-shirts, the one that comes with the t-shirts. The sleeve is a t-shirt sleeve and it's just boxy and it is not bodycon. If you love free size or rather like a loosely fitting dress, this is the pattern for you. And I know from other websites you can get all of these patterns, or rather you can get alternatives, and that would also be nice for you to comment those alternatives in the comment section, and we can check those out and see how they look compared to this. And I will be really excited to see your alternatives. Now moving on to the next category, which is tops. I have 3 tops. That is, number 1, we have the B tank tops, and this is from the Moods Fabric website. This top is just a really cute, trendy, not really trendy, I think I'd call it an old money aesthetic top. It's so pretty, it's so cute. I'm obsessed with this top. Now it has like a gathered shoulder, it has like a really small mock neck, it has a back seam, and again this requires you to use a stretch fabrics. And if you have enough experience on this, or rather not even experience, if you have enough practice on this, then stretch fabrics will be the easiest. It has no zipper, it has no any closure, because it just stretches into your body and it conforms to your body. I love how it looks. The second one is a corset top from Do It Yourself. I know that corsets and the vibe of corsets kind of died down, but I'm still into corsets and I do love me a good corset. I know I have my holy grails on corsets, and I have an entire patterns video dedicated to corsets. So if you want to see more corset patterns, I have a link in the description for a video that I made, and also somewhere up here. Please make sure to check that out. Now the corset from Do It Yourself, it's just a normal sweetheart corset that dips into your waist and kind of flows all the way to your low waist. It's really simple and straight to the point. It does not have so much details, and that is why it is perfect for a beginner. I love the look of corsets with a skirt that I do not wear that much, but I do love the look, especially my aesthetic girls. You rock that look. I also love corsets with trousers, which I'm obsessed with. I also love corsets on tops and also on dresses. It usually is a look, and I love the look of corsets. Now moving on from the corsets, now the next one is more of a set, and it fits in different categories, and that is the Rosemary set from Do It Yourself. Now the Rosemary set from Do It Yourself fits in tops, skirts and lingerie. So we have a milkmaid top that is so cute. When you use like a delicate fabric, it is going to look so cute. It's going to look so soft, and it's going to look so girly. You can use a chiffon fabric, you can use lace fabrics, you can use all those fabrics that are delicate, and you will achieve a really cute look. So the top is just a milkmaid top that is gathered at the top and fitted at the bottom all the way to your waist, and then it has a really tiny cap sleeve that is so delicate. It actually looks like a strap, and it has like a really long skirt which you can trim to wherever height you want. It also comes with panties that are really cute, and I'm obsessed with this set. I think I'm going to make this for my birthday. I'm not sure, but I want to make it. It's on my make list. So make sure to subscribe so that when I make this set, you will be notified and you can check the video out. Since we already crossed over to skirts, let's start on that. The first one, as I said, is the Rosemary skirt that comes with the set. The second one is the Dion skirt from Mood Fabrics. And when I say, if you're a beginner and you're not starting off with skirts, I do not know what you are doing. The Dion skirt is really cute. It's like a mini dress version, but you can always extend the pattern, and there's so many tutorials out there on how to extend a pattern, or rather how to manipulate patterns. And it is like just straight with darts at the front, with panels at the back, a zipper at the back, and the waist is finished by a facing and not a waistband. Now the third skirt I wanted to talk about is the long denim skirt by Unfettered Patterns. Now we've all seen the whole trend whereby we get to transform our trousers or our denim trousers into skirts. Now this looks exactly like those skirts, and I'm obsessed. It has a slit at the front with like a nice French seam at the front. It has like the pockets, the jean pockets at the front, with a little pocket, or rather a little coin pocket attached. It has patch pockets at the back. It is so cute. I'm obsessed with this. I want to get myself a denim pant and to use this exact pattern to cut out this skirt, and hopefully it fits nicely, and hopefully I get to wear it a lot more. Moving on swiftly to the trousers, I have 4 trousers that I want to share. If you know me, you know I love comfort, and I also do love structure. As much as I love comfort, I love structure, and these 4 trousers are a good representation of that. So I'm going to start with the knit pants with wide legs. Now I've talked about these pants in a previous video, and that's how much you know I'm obsessed. I love them so much. Again, you just need knowledge on how to work with stretch fabrics, and I already gave you the secret. That is either a zigzag stitch, a stretch stitch, or an overlock stitch, and you're good to go, and your machine will not have issues, your fabric will not have issues, and you'll be good to go. Now these pants have a waistband. They're nice and loose, they're very comfortable, they're very loungy kind of set. You can also get these pants as a set from Mood Fabrics. You can also get them from Kiana if you want to pay. You can also get these, I think, from Lydia Naomi. She also has. I think you can get this from a lot of websites, from Etsy, and I also think Do It Yourself have the same pants, but I'm not sure. I think these are one of the best pants there are. Really cute. You can lounge in them, you can walk around in them, you can dress them up, you can dress them down. What else do we need? I don't think there's anything else. So the second pants, this is the wide leg high waist jeans. This is from Unfettered Patterns. I know you're asking me, how are jeans beginner friendly? As I said, we're here to learn and not to get intimidated. The more you practice on patterns that have instructions, the more you get to learn, the more you gather your skills, the more you collect your skills, and the more you build up on them to the point where you can do absolutely anything. So if you're up for a challenge, here you're also going to learn about how to make a fly, make the overlaid seams, all those pockets, how to create a back yoke, how to create a jeans waistband, and all that. It is really easy and really simple. The only thing you need to do is have confidence and work on that denim fabric. Number 3, we have the loose wide leg pants from Mood Fabrics. Now this is what I was talking about, a mix of perfection and comfort. These pants have an elastic waistband. That means you do not have closures like zippers, hooks, buttons, none of that. You're working only with that elasticated waistband, and it will be so easy to put together. You will be impressed. It is so easy, and I think this should be your first project after watching this video. The last pant that I have is the Penolope Pants by Mood Fabrics. Now when I say Mood Fabrics, usually when it comes to pants. Most of my favorite pant patterns are from Mood Fabrics. Oh my god, these pants have a waistband, they have a zipper at the back. That means you do not need to create a fly, you do not have to have that unconfidence of a zipper at the side. And also it has darts at the front, each one on each leg and 2 at the back. We also have like a really cute structure, and then it flows, it's like really wide. That's my cup of tea. I'm obsessed with such pants and I love them so much. So if you're a beginner and a corporate body, this is the pattern for you. Download it really soon. Now to the last category, which is outerwear, I have 2 patterns. Number 1 is the loose blazer by Unfettered Patterns. It has like short sleeves, or rather you can just extend. If you're not into the short sleeves, you can just extend the pattern and have like really long sleeves. As I said, it's easy to adjust patterns and there's so many videos out there on how to adjust patterns. It has like a boxy look, so it just boxy, and in that boxiness we have like a welt pocket at the top and a single welt pocket. We also have like a welt pocket with flaps, so you get to learn a lot. It also has a lapel that is really cute. You get to learn how to add a lapel and a collar. You get to learn about welt pockets, which are one of the best looking pockets ever, but also one of the hardest pockets to do. So if you get to master that, then it is going to be easy for you. Now the last pattern that I do have is the Valery Vest by Mood Fabrics. Now when I say this vest is so cute, so old money, so timeless, especially if you make this with like a light gray fabric or like a really deep black fabric, or if you're risky you can make it with like a really luminous color like a hot pink or like a purple. It would be really cute. So it has like extended shoulders and it has also shoulder pads to keep that shape in. It has like ties at, it has a tie, I mean at the waist, that cinches in your waist and gives you that that nice look. It has patch pockets that is at the waist. It also has a really nice relaxed feel and look to it, and it is really cute. From the photo it is paired with the Penolope Pants, and exactly that is my vibe. Okay, so I'm making it as a suit really soon. I think in one of my next bedsheet transformations, that is what I'm going to be making, and most probably this month or early next month. So as I said, please make sure to subscribe down below and turn the notification on so that you'll be notified when I post any video. I usually make bedsheet transformation videos, thrifted challenges, or rather thrifted transformations, and it is usually a vibe right here. Also make sure to follow me on TikTok and also on Instagram. That is where I post progress and works in progress as I go. And also don't forget that all the patterns will be linked in the description box, and you can also get some of my videos in the first comment. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.